Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to your channel DNA. In the last episode or in the last video, right, I capture the class B subnetting, right, start from /16, 17 till /30. Okay guys, so let's get start with class A subnetting. Okay, so before start, let's recap the default subnet mask of class A and the format. So what is the format of class A? How many bit we have for network and how many bit we have for host. So total out of 32 bit we have 8 bit for a network and remaining 24 bit we here have for the host. So format क्या है class A का? Network. So first octet is network, then host, host and host, right? So total 8 bit we have for network and 24 bit we have for host. Lots of scope to borrow the host bit for a subnetwork bit. Okay, so now what is the range of class A? Class A range start from 0 to 127, but actually it's a 1 to 126, right? We cannot use 0 as 0 is no value and 127 is reserved for a look back, like look back as a look back range. Okay, so let's get start with a class A subnetting. Okay, so class A subnetting. So let's first discuss about the /8, right, which is my default subnet mask of class A. So how many bits I have for network, or we can call as a major network? Total 8 bit I have for my major network and remaining 24 bit I have for host. So these 24 bit I can something borrowed for the host or borrow host portion for the subnetting. Okay, got it? So now when I say 8 means 255.0.0.0. This means out of 32 bit I have 8 bit for a major network, which is my class A. Got it? So let's go and borrow 1 bit from the second octet. So guys, we have now 3 octet to borrow the bit, right, in class A, second octet, third octet and the fourth octet. Okay, so few things just I would like to repeat. One thing, when host bit all set to 0 means network ID. When host bits are all set to 1 means broadcast ID, right? Where you will do the increment, right? So from where you borrow the host bit for a network, in that octet you will do the increment. Let's start. Okay, so the next is 9/9 means from second octet we have borrow 1 bit for subnetwork and others bit is now we have for a host. So what is the value of those 1 bit? Is a 128. Okay, the value of first bit is a 128. The value is a 128. So subnet mask is 255.128.0.0, right? So it means 1 bit from second octet is my subnetwork bit and remaining 7 bit are my now host bit. Third octet is for host. Fourth entire bit of fourth octet is my host bit. So don't think much here, right? Third octet and the fourth octet. Anyway, first octet is for my major network, right? We have an increment, right, is in a second octet, right? And third and the fourth octet is purely host portion, right? Got it? So let's get started. How many subnetwork? 2 raised to power x. X means number of a subnetwork bit. So how many currently subnetwork bit I have? Only 1 subnetwork bit I have, guys, right? These 8 bits are my major network bit, right? And this one bit, right? This one bit is my subnetwork bit. So 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 means 2 subnetwork I will get, right? Because why? I have only one subnetwork bit. How many hosts per subnetwork? Y. Y means number of host bit, right? So how many host bit currently we have? So 9 means out of 32 we have a 9 bit for subnetwork. So it means remaining 23 bit we have for host. We have for host. Got it, guys? Very simple. How many bits we have in the IP address? 32 bit. Out of 32, now /9 means total 9 bit we have for network and subnetwork. So remaining 23 bit we have for a host. Simple logic, right? So then next is 2 raised to power 23. 2 raised to power 23 minus 2, right? Is my host, right? Host value, right? Whatever the calculation, right? To be honest, I am not remember now, right? Then what are the valid subnet? 256 minus subnet 1. What is the subnet mask? 128, right? Because we borrow only one bit. So 256 minus 128 is equal to 128. So there will be increment of 128 in which octet, right? In a second octet. Why not in the third and fourth octet? Because third and fourth octet subnet mask is 0, 0. So no, we cannot, right? We cannot do the increment in third and the fourth octet. We have to do the increment in the second octet only. So 120. So what is the first network? So the network is a 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. This is my first network, right? 10 is my major network bit, right? Third and fourth octet is my host portion. So where we will do the increment in the third octet? So 128. Simple, simple. So what is the broadcast address of first network? Simple. 10 dot, just have a gap, then dot 255 dot 255, right? Because third and fourth octet is my purely host portion. When host bit all set to 1 means broadcast. When host bits are all set to 0 means network ID or subnetwork ID. Then 120 का पहले का IP है 127 is my broadcast. So what is the broadcast of the your second network? Of course, second network means last network. 10 dot 128 dot. Oh, my bad. No. So 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. That's it. So guys, remember, only focus on second octet. Why? Because we have borrowed the bits from the second octet. When we will borrow the bit from third octet, we'll only focus on third octet only. We will not look at the fourth octet, first octet and second octet. We'll focus on only third octet, right? Correct? So till 16/16 we have to only focus on the second octet. Got it? Perfect. Let's move on. So what is the who is my first valid host? Of course 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 1, second 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 2, right? Who is my last valid host? Of course 10 dot 127 dot 255 dot 254. This will be my last valid host, right? What about this network? 10 dot 128 dot 0 dot 0. Next 10 dot 128 dot 0 dot 2, it's 1, right? Go on. Then 10 dot 128 dot 0 dot 255, right? Then 10 dot 128 dot 1 dot 0. Of course, because we have a range from 128 to 255 and 0 to 127. So means if you focus only on second octet, it means start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 255. But with 0 dot 0, 0 dot 0 dot 0, then 0.1.0 with 0 there will be a up to 255, then 0.2 dot, right, that is you are getting 2 is to power 23 minus 2 host. Got it, right? So there will be an increment, definitely increment of 120 in second octet, right? But still you have a third and fourth octet is your for your host. So accordingly you have to calculate the host. Okay, no problem. So let me repeat, right? So first, the first one will be 10.0.0.0. The next it will be go up to 10.0.0.255. Once done, then you have to go to 10.0.1.0 next network na, then it will go up to 10.0.1.255, right? Once that has been done, right, up to 255, then it will go to the 2.0 2.255 up to the 10.0 dot third octet 255.255, right? Then your second octet turn to 1, 10.1.1.0, 10.1.0.1, 10.1.0.2, 10.1.0 dot up to 255. Now 10.1.1.0, 10.1.1 dot up to 255. Now this 255 done, then 10.1.2.0 and this will go up to the 10.1.255.0. Got it, guys? So this is how you are getting a 2 is to power 23 IP address. Pakka? Confirm? Let's move on. Now the next is, right, /10. /10 means how many bit I have borrowed from the second octet? 2 bit I have borrowed from the second octet. Alright. So 2 means 128 and 64. So my subnet mask is a 192. My subnet mask is a 192. So now when I say subnet mask 192 means I have borrowed the 2 bits, right, from the second octet here. So again same, still I have a third octet and entire fourth octet is for the host and the first octet is my major network bit. Don't worry about it, right? So how many subnetwork bit I have? Total 2 subnetwork bit I have. And how many major network bit I have? First octet is for my major network. So 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 subnetwork I will get. How many subnetwork I will get? 4 subnetwork I will get. How many hosts per subnetwork? 2 raised to power y minus 2. How many bits currently I have for host? Right? Total 6 bit from second octet, 8 bit from third octet and 8 bit, right, from the fourth octet. So total 6 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6, 22. Correct? So, right, total how many bits I have now? 2 raised to power 22 minus 2 host I will get. Right? Networks are now increasing. Why? Because we are borrowing the 111 bit from the second octet, then we will from the fourth octet, then we will from the third and from the fourth octet respectively. Okay? So, what are the valid subnet? Simple formula, 256 minus subnet mask is a 192. So subnet mask, okay, so 256 minus 192 is equal to 64. There is an increment of 64 in which octet? Second octet. Why? Because we have borrowed the bit from the second octet only. So what will be your first network, guys? So first network is 10.0.0.0. Second network is 10.64. Right, 0.0. Next 10.128.0.0 and the last is 10.192.0.0. Got it? So these are the 4 network, right, we will get it, we are getting from the /10 subnetwork. See, 4 subnetwork, and where we have done the increment here. right, in a second octet. Third octet and fourth octet is the my network the host portion. Calculate the broadcast ID for this. So just note down 10, have a gap, then dot 0255, because entire third bit is my host portion, the entire third octet is my host portion. So host portion set to 1 means broadcast, right? So 255. Similar way 1 means broadcast 255. Now just think about the second octet. So what is your network ID? 64 is the network ID. 64, 128. So 127 will be your broadcast. Simple, right? This is your major network. This is your host portion. So why you are thinking why we should bother about it, right? Just worry about the 127. Means second octet, not 127. Worry about the second octet. Got it? This is very simple, right? Next, 11, right? Let's move on. 11 means how many bit I have borrow from the second octet. Now 3 bits, right? What is the value of the 3 bit? Means 128 plus 64 plus 32, so is equal to 224. So my subnet mask is 255.224.0.0. This is my subnet mask, right? So how many bit we have borrow from the second octet? 3 bits we have borrow from the second octet, right? So how many subnetworks? So 2 raised to power x, x means number of subnetwork bits. So how many subnetwork we have? Only 3 subnetwork bits we have. Got it, right? So 2 raised to power 3. When I say 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So total 8 subnetwork I will get. How many subnetwork I will get? Total 8 subnetwork I will get. But what about the host? So how many hosts per subnetworks? 8 subnetwork I will get, but per subnetwork I will get 2 raised to power 21 or 22? 21. Why? Because 5 bit from the second octet and the total 16 bit is from the third and the fourth octet. So 2 raised to power 21 minus 2 hosts I will get per subnetwork, and each subnetwork I will get. So what are the valid subnetworks? So simple, 256 minus whatever subnet mask you have, 224. So 256 minus 224 is equal to 32. So there will be an increment of 30 to 32 in which octet? Second octet, right? Second octet, right? So let's do it then. Then 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0, third and 4 will remain the same. Why? Because it's a purely host portion. First octet again remain the same. Why? Because it is your major network. So then 10 dot 32 का increment 0 dot 0, then 10 dot 64 dot 0 dot 0, 10 dot 96 dot 0 dot 0, then 10 dot 128 dot 0 dot 0, 10 dot 160 dot 0 dot 0. Then the next is I am continuing from here, right? Then 10 dot 192 dot 0 dot 0, and then 10 dot 224 dot 0 dot 0. Yay! Total 8 network. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many network subnetwork now I am getting? Right? 8 subnetwork I am getting, right? Perfect. So now guys, tell me, calculate the network broadcast address of this network. Simple. Just apply the simple logic. First octet is my major network. Just note down. Second octet, I have borrow some bits from the second octet. Leave it. Third octet is my purely host portion. Fourth octet is my purely host portion. Right? When host portion is set to 0 means network ID. When set to 1, all bits set to 1, then means broadcast ID. So here you have to go with the, instead of 0, here you have a 255.255. Now think about the second octet. So what is your network ID? 96. 96 plus 32, 128. 128 का पहले का IPN है, 127 is a broadcast. Simple. 10.127.0 255.255. Correct. Say third and fourth octet, right? During the network ID calculation, it will be a 00 because entire 8 bit from third octet and entire 8 bit, right, from the fourth octet is your host bit. Set to 0, network ID. Set to 1, broadcast ID. Got it? Simple logic, right? Correct? Perfect, right? So guys, let's try /12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 with the same logic, okay? So let's do one thing, right? Treat this as your homework, right? So let's play around with the /16. What if we will have the /16, right? How your class A subnetwork will behave, right? If we have a /16, because /16 is the default subnet mask subnet mask of class B. Okay, so consider, guys, I have a /16, right? /16. So let's start. /16 means entire second octet bits we have borrow for a subnetworks, right? So that is called as a /16, right? So entire 8 bit, so no problem, right? We will have an increment of 111 in a second octet. But how, Prasad, how you come to 1? Okay, let's start with how many subnetwork? 2 raised to power x means number of subnetwork bit. How many subnetwork bit we have? Total 8 bit. So what is the value of this total 8 bits? 255, right? So our subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Got it? Perfect. Now how many hosts per subnetwork? 2 raised to power y means number of host bit. So total 8 bit from third octet and 8 bit from the fourth octet. So total 2 raised to power 16 minus 2 means 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 minus 2 is equal to 6, 5, 5, 3, 4 host I will get in each subnet, right? So how many subnetter you are getting? 2 raised to power 8, ये तो भूल ही गए आप, means 256 subnetwork you will get. 256 subnetter you will get, and each subnetter you will get 65534 host, right? So what are the valid subnet? Simple, 256 minus 255. Guys, refer my class C video as well as class B subnetting video, right? You will get idea, right? So 255 है ना, second octet में क्या है मेरा 255. So 256 minus 255. So there is an increment of 111 in which octet? In the second octet. So चलो करो. First sub network is 10.0.0.0. Next 10.1.0.0. 10.1. 2.0.0. 10.3.0.0. 10.4.0.0. 10.5.0.0, right? And this up to 10.255.0.0. This will be my last network. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to the, in the second octet 10.255.0.0. Now guys, how do we calculate the broadcast ID of this network, subnetwork? This one. 10.3, below 10 we have a 255, below 3 we have a 255, mean it will not change, remain the same. 10.3 dot. Third octet and fourth octet is my host, purely host portion. So just convert or set all bit to 1, means broadcast 255.255. Simple logic, right? Here 10.3 will not change, because why? Below 10 we have 255, right? See here, below 3 we have a 255, third octet we have a 0, and fourth octet we have 0. So simple, host bit set to 0 means network ID, set to 1 means broadcast ID. Is very simple to calculate the broadcast ID, right? It was difficult for class C, right, initially, but it is simple for, to be honest, for class A, because now you have a clear idea about the network portion and the host portion, because we have so many bits for a host. Got it, right? So next, Yeah, next is 17. Now 17 means, right, now we jumped on the third octet, right? So entire 8 bit, right, from the second octet we borrow for subnetwork, and 1 bit we have borrow, right, from the third octet. So what will the impact? So definitely there will be increment. Where we will do the increment? We will do the increment in the third octet as well as your second octet, right? Perfect. Why? Because all 8 bit from the second octet we have borrowed for the subnetting. So how many subnetworks? Right, 2 raised to power x. X means subnetwork bit. कितना बीट है सबनेटवर्क के? 1 बीट या 9 बीट? 9 बीट. 8 from second octet and 1 from third octet. Right, so total how many bits we have? 9 bits. So 2 raised to power 9 means 512 subnetwork we will get. How many? 512 subnetwork we will get, right? Then how many hosts per subnetwork? So 2 raised to power y. Y means number of host bit. So how many bits we have in the second octet? No, we have borrowed all the 8 bits from the second octet, 1 bit from the third octet, but still we have remaining 7 bit for a host. So 7 bit, right, from the third octet and 8 bits from the fourth octet. So 8 plus 7, 15. So 2 raised to power 15 minus 2 host you will get each subnetwork. And how many subnet we are getting here today? 512. Got it? What are the valid subnet? Now what we will do? We should be minus 255 or should be minus 128? My bad guys, sorry, 128. We have not convert this one value, this CIDR value to the subnet. So 1 means 1 bit value is 128. Subnet mask is 255.255.128.0. Right, in some PPT I have mentioned as a question mark. I am asking you to calculate the subnet mask, and in some slides I have already convert into the subnet mask. So that is the reasons, my bad. Okay, so let's do, right. So 256 minus 255, there will be a increment of 1 in second octet, and 256 minus 128, 128. So there will be an increment of 128 in which octet? Third octet. So let's calculate first subnetwork 10.0.0.0. Next 10.0.128.0, right? 0, 128, but this 0 is constant. Then once we have this combination, then 10.1.0.0, perfect. 10.1.0.0, 10.1.128.0, then 10.2.0.0, 10.2.128.0. Got it? Next 10.3.0.0, 10.3.128.0. Got it? So with second octet, right, we are getting combination of 2, 0 and 128. But guys, this fourth octet is remain the same. Why? Because it's a host portion, right? Correct? So don't focus here, just focus on now second octet and the third octet, right? So in the third octet there will be increment of 128, and but in the second octet we have increment of 11111 because 255 minus 256, right? Guys, we have a 9 bits for subnetwork, na? Total we have a 9 subnetwork bit, so we have to calculate accordingly, right? So with the every bit from the second octet we are getting combination of 2. So mean 255 into 2, 512. 256 into 2, 512. It's simple calculation. Got it? Now how to calculate the broadcast address of this? Any simple. Below 10 we have a 255. Below 1 we have a 255. So broadcast 10 dot 1 dot. Now focus on the third octet, right? Here 128 means over, 128 subnet mask over, so it will be a 255. And last octet, close your eyes and just just mention the 255 or write down the 255, because entire fourth octet is my host portion. Got it? Very simple, very simple. Okay, fine. So guys, let's try for 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and in the next lecture we will look at the /24. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.